नाकेरीबेतल्यान नुस्तेमारी वेवसाय करपी फामिलीन 4 खांबे घालून शेड घाल्ली. थंय ती नुस्त्याचें जाळें दवरताली. शुक्रारा सकाळीं ही शेड मोडली. कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट म्हणटा दक्षिण गोंय डेप्युटी कलेक्टराच्या आदेशा प्रमाण ही कारवाय जाल्या. जाल्यार ज्या पार्टीची शेड मोडल्या ती म्हणटा तांकां डेमोलिशनाचो कसलोच आदेश मेळूना. घडणूक थळार गेल्ल्या कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाच्या प्रतिनिधीक डेमोलिशन ऑर्डर विचारल्यार सद्याक ती ऑर्डर थंय हाडूना अशें ताचें म्हणणें आसा. ज्या पारंपारीक नुस्तेकारांची शेड मोडल्या ते म्हणटा तांकां कसलीच डेमोलिशन ऑर्डर मेळूना.
So can I go through the file which you had got? I need the file right now, sir, because I need to go there. Because when I done the demolition, I need the order letter.
No, see, we have sent you, and officially they have taken the RTI, all the file.
Don't video camera.
I cannot show the file.
No. I have come over here as an official to demolish this, whatever was there. So we want a proper, the order letter which you had got to demolish this. So I just want to see who have given you the order or the letter to demolish. I just want to see that as a proof because the demolition has been done. So I just want, I just want to see it.
It is not available now. It is on.
No. Just tell them to send it back.
See what?
Send the photocopy or something. They can just send you back because there's nowhere mentioned that it's need
no,
to
because of that I told you, you cannot decide. Myself cannot decide. You cannot decide. You have the higher authority to decide.
But there's it's not mentioned to demolish, sir.
You ask the captain of ports.
The captain of port. That's what I'm saying. So you have the file. No, just ask him to send the file again. But the dad will say, "Amko popak."
No, now what is? We have to stop. You just write and give that I am not allowing to do this.
I'm not.
And I will file to the court.
It's already done.
It is done.
It's already done. I just want to see the letter where it's
So
mentioned.
still you want anything for argument there? Why we search?
I just want to see the order letter which you had
Already
got. No? So I just want to go through it again to see
You
whether it was
ask
सर,
mentioned or
अगर
not.
आप यहाँ पे डेमोलिशन के लिए आए हो तो आपके पास ऑर्डर है,
Order
कुछ
letter
है,
है,
कुछ तो है, डॉक्यूमेंट है, किसका?
तो आप यहाँ पे डेमोलिश करने
हमको
के
कुछ
लिए
मिला ही
कैसा
नहीं
है?
बोल रहे हम लोग,
किसका
आपके पास
order
कुछ
है?
है।
पास है आपका कॉपी थोड़ी है।
तो दिखाओ ना, दिखाओ ना, हमको कुछ मिला ही नहीं, दिखाओ आप। डेमोलिशन के लिए तो कुछ दिखाओ ना।
People have sent you the demolition. No, which government, which authority has sent you to demolish it? We need that letter. This demolition has been done. It's done. It's over.
Communication to squad.
communication.
That letter you will have.
So it's only mentioned that they are providing them a squad.
I am asking letter before that.
That's why I wanted to cross check in the morning only.
पारंपरिक फिशरमॅन पंढरी केरकर आणि ही जी लुगार आसा आमच्या आदस्थानी पयलीं ते बारीक बारीक पोने आमी ताणून वयताले ते काडटाले हे लुगाराचेर तेवटेन एक लुगार आसा आणि पोनेळ काबार बारीक जाले म्हणटा आमी बोटी काडून लागले हांगासर 5 बोटी काडटाले ते पळय त्या धडेक तेकून पण बोटी काडटाले आमी तेच्या तेवटेन 7 बोटी काडटाले जेन्ना बोटी आमचे आतां मागीर उदकां दवरूंक लागले पळय तेन्ना आमी पोनेळ दवरूंक लागले आनी ही लुगार सामको हो दर्यो आसलो आनी दर्या कारणान म्हणटा आमची वाट पायवाट्टी आसली तेन्ना मागीर आमी लुगार रोडाक आमकां पोर्टाक लागून आमकां रोड जाय आसलो मागीर आमी हो दर्यासून रोड घेतलो आनी हांव 70/9 बोट दवरतालो ती लुगार मागीर रोडाक गेली म्हणटा थोडीशी म्हाका लुगार आसली त्या लुगाराचेर हांव बेश्टी शेड घातली आनी झाडां दवरतालो थंय आनी तेच्या शिवाय कांयच नासलें थंय जेन्ना हेणी हे हॉटेल कॉमर्स केले आनी हॉटेल कॉमर्सार आपल्या जेटीक फायदो जावपा जाय म्हणून म्हाजेर केस घातली जेन्ना म्हाजेर केस घातली तेन्ना हांव कितें केलें समती पंचायतीत गेलो पंचायतीत गेले हांगासर बारीकशी 2 घरां आसली त्या दोनूय घरांक हाऊस टॅक्स ना घर नंबर कांयच ना मागीर हांव टावनात केप्यां गेलो टावनाचें पासून परमिशन हेचे कडेन ना म्हणटून हांव व्हरोन त्या कॅप्टनाक दाखयलें त्या कॅप्टनान म्हाका कितें सांगलें तूं आनी फुडें वचो नाका हांव म्हटलें म्हाजे 50,000ची ती जेट मोडटा म्हणून न्ही हांव म्हटलें ही काडटा आनी फायलच हेका दिता आमचे शेअर झाडाक दिता म्हणटून म्हाका म्हणालो तूं थोडे दीस स्टॉप राव आपूण कांय एक्शन घेयना म्हणून हांव उगी रावल्लो जाल्यार ह्या 2 दिसान म्हाका परत कंप्लेन येयली आनी कंप्लेनीचेर म्हाका मोडपाक हे करपाक डेमोलिश कर म्हणून मागीर 2 दीस आमी कोर्टात भोंवले कोर्टात गेल्या कोर्टात आमी काल आमी कोर्टात गेले कोर्टात म्हणटा तुका ऑर्डर दिल्या कोणी ऑर्डर दिला तुका डेमोलिश करपाक कॅप्टन पोर्ट ऑर्डर दिवंक शकना आनी तेमच्यांनी त्या कॅप्टन पोर्टाच्या लेटरार बरयल्यार सकयल मामलेदारान ते सगळे कितें बरं पूण ती मामलेदाराची कलेक्टराची ऑर्डर आसा तेका कलेक्टराचे लेटर टप करून म्हाका दिवपाक जाय आसले जाल्यार कशेंच आयकोंक ना आनी आज येयले आनी पळय डेमोलिश करून गेले जाल्यार पयलीं आमकां खूब प्रयास केले. आतां तूं राव हे सगळे जाले म्हणून तूं पंचनामे बी करपा जाय. जशें मिडिया तुमी पावले म्हणटो एकटोय करा पळय सगळे मैदान खाली सगळ्यांनी धांव मारलो. आतां हेंच्यांनी पळय आज हेचेर हांव आतां 1 वरां जालें कंप्लेंट दिल्या. हेचेर अजून पासून एक्शन जावना. कंप्लीट तयार जाण्यात पडटा. हे आख्खे डेमोलिश जाता तेचे.
कसलो तो प्रॉपर्टी कोणाक
तेणी पयलीं म्युजियम म्हणून घातलें आनी आतां हॉटेल. हे पळय रेस्टॉरंट तेचे आनी ते वटेन लोकांक रावपाचे रूम्स. जाल्यार अशा मनशाक तुमी गांवच्या लोकांची जाळाव दवरपाची तुमी डेमोलिश करता जाल्यार ह्या लोकांक भायल्या लोकांक तुमी हें करूंक कशें दिता काय म्हणटा. गव्हर्नमेंट आमकां धोकतलो आनी आमी आमचो सरकार म्हणटा पयलीं एक त्रास काडले आमी पोर्तुगेज टायमार. म्हाजे बापूले हे बेतूल सोडून 3 जाण कारवार आसा. म्हाजो एकटोच बापूस हांगा रावलो. जाल्यार आतां आमचो सरकार येवन पासून हे आमकां घडटा जाल्यार आनी हे आम आदमी काँग्रेसीक हे फायदो करून दिवप म्हणलें हेतून उरलें कितें. आमी जगपाचें कशें. आतां वय तेच आमकां त्रास. तेन्ना आतां हे कितें त्रास विनाकारण तेंच्यांनी अन्याय केला पळय तेचेर गव्हर्नमेंटान कितें तरी एक्शन म्हाका फुडलो मार्ग दाखोवपाचो.
आता तुम्ही खंय वयतले अपिलाक?
ना अपिलाक आमी वयतले चिवर वयता वचपाकच जाय. कित्याक हें कितें विनाकारण हे पयल्या दूख जाता. आमच्या पारंपारीक फिशरमॅनाक अशें दूख जाता. गांवच्या लोकांक हे तुझ्या भायरसून येवन आमकां इलिगल हे धंदो चलोवंक दिता हेचे हो मोठो आमचेर अन्याय आसा. आनी अन्याय आमच्या कोण तरी हे मोठे पैसेकार हे कोणाक हेका तेका धरून हे त्रास आसा हे बंद जावपा जाय. आनी हांव सीएमा कडेन मागता. सीएमाक काल पयर जर सोदता सीएमच मेळना आमकां कितें घडलां तें सांगूंक. तेन्ना म्हणून आज हे पळय आमच्या अशें घडलें तेन्ना गव्हर्नमेंटान खंय तरी आमकां हेल्प करपाचो हे कामाक.
शुभानी केरकर, पंढरी केरकरांचे चेडू. सो बेसिकली सकाळी जेन्ना ते आयिल्ले सगळे ऑफिशियल्स सो हांवें तांकां फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन केल्लें की तेंचे कडेन कितें ऑर्डर आसा डेमोलिशन. सो तेंच्यांनी डिनाय केलें की तेमी ऑर्डर दाखोवपाक शकना म्हणून. ते तेंचे अगेन्स्ट रुल्स म्हणून. हांवें सांगलें सपोज तेंचे अगेन्स्ट रुल्स जाल्यार हाऊ कम दे हॅव कम ओवर हियर टू डेमोलिश. दे नीड टू शो सम प्रूफ दॅट दे हॅव गॉट अ ऑर्डर टू डेमोलिश दिस whatever the shed or whatever. But they said they are not allowed to give any or to close any documentation regarding so. They have got a letter from the government and they have come here and they are doing their duty. And they denied to show all the documents to us. After that also they have demolished all the the shed of us, the property which is there. And again we asked them, after demolishing everything also we asked them again, but they should show some documentation or the order which they have got, so that we get a confirmation that they have come through the government officials only. But still the person was scared of, he didn't show us, and this is all done. And even from the court they have said they haven't given any order to demolish this, and they can't, the court can't provide any stay order because they don't have any order of demolition. So on what basis they will give us the stay order for the demolition? So that's the point. Without a order of demolition, these people are coming and demolishing this property over here. So that's a big concern. Anyone can come and demolish anything without notice period, without demolishing order, nothing. So how this is possible? It's not happening, right? And the main issue is like when we went to the court is saying the Captain Port can't give a demolition order for anything because the collector needs to give an order to the Captain of Port. Whereas we know, we have got information that the collector has given no order to demolish our property. So what's an issue here? Is there some goofy things going on over here? Is there someone big person who is doing all this? So we need to know that, and we just need an answer for this, for on what basis this thing has been demolished, where there's no order given for the demolition.
जाल्यार कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट म्हणटा डेप्युटी कलेक्टराच्या आदेशाप्रमाण ही कारवाई जाल्या.
Incident is today morning that demolition has been conducted by Captain of Port. What incident it was?
एक fisherman पंढरीनाथ केरकर म्हणलो. Okay, this person is a fisherman, okay, by profession. So त्याने इकडे आमचे कडे 1992, okay, that time he had asked for permission to park his boat, to berth his boat over there. ते दिले तेका. But in the when the years go by, so he erected one concrete pillars over there so that he constructed a shade over there. In that, because see what happened, I think he was putting his net also over there. Okay, so this became a concrete structure in our riverine land and in the CRZ area. So there was some complaint, okay, and so we have to act on this complaint, okay, and that is what we did. And the deputy collector issued the order somewhere on 18th of January, okay, and for the execution of the order on today. So today it is been demolished.
Sir,
actually, to be very frank, I don't know from when it came, because we do not do any regular patrolling over there, so that's why. So it must have come over the years, so that's why. Complainant, I think it's some neighbor or someone from just next to the house. I have not been to that area, so that's why. But only thing, this information I have.
This order has been taken by deputy collector or captain of port?
The deputy collector issued this order,
saying that it is illegal.
It is to be demolished.
Okay. But is it तुमची hearing means have you taken hearing of that? Because that property belongs to captain of port.
It's a riverine land. Riverine land belongs to captain of ports. So there was a hearing. So without a hearing,
but your side, from your side?
Yeah, outside our marine inspectors, they used to go attend the hearings.
For the deputy collector?
Yeah. See, like that, there are many of the fishermen who are earning their livelihood here in Goa. Okay, we have to think about them also. Okay, it is not that like Goa does not mean like anybody and everybody. First, we have to take care of our local people. Okay, this is very important actually for us. Why do we have to make our own Goans? So we have to, this is of a fisherman who was doing his thing, and I don't have anything other to say to it.
So, but जाळे होतं फक्त he was to get जाळे सामान बोटीचे सामान.
It's not for any commercial use. So a law is a law.
So त्याचा तो land दिला, so तो तुम्ही त्याकडून return घेतलं कारण काय?
Yeah. Once it is this thing, he was paying for that. Whatever is the charges, he was paying for it. So alternate jaga, no. If he asks for that thing and if he is only using the land just to park this thing without any structure, he can take it. He can pay this thing. Yeah.